Stop buying limp supermarket basil. Grow your own instead. I think I messed up with a cactus once, but this herb always survives. Simple, tasty, and nearly foolproof. Hi, I'm Albert. Quick tip for your kitchen: grow mint. Mint doesn't need fancy soil or perfect light. A sunny windowsill or bright countertop will do. Use a free-draining pot, water when the top inch feels dry, and pinch tips to keep it bushy. Pro move: grow it in a separate pot so it doesn't take over other herbs. Harvest leaves from the top for the freshest flavor. Teas, salads, cocktails, instant upgrade. If a leaf looks yellow, remove it and don't overwater. In about 2 weeks, you'll have a steady supply, and propagation is as easy as popping a cutting in water. Tell us what you think in the comments, like and subscribe. What I wish I knew at uni instead of ordering takeaway: you can regrow veggies from scraps. It's cheap, easy, and kinda magical. Hi, I'm Albert. Quick tip: save the bases of lettuce, spring onions, celery, green onions, pop them in a jar with 1 inch of water, place on a sunny windowsill, change the water every couple of days. In a week, you'll see roots and fresh shoots. For carrots, plant the tops in soil. For beets, plant the tops in soil. They'll sprout lovely greens. Potato eyes: plant a chunk straight into a pot with compost. Herbs like basil and mint: stick stem cuttings in water until roots show, then pot them up. Use pots or recycled containers with drainage. Keep soil moist but not soggy, and rotate for even light. Harvest leaves as needed. It regrows. It's perfect for small spaces and saves money. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. This will change your summer. I grew strawberries on a fire escape. Tip 1: choose ever-bearing varieties. Tip 2: use 5 to 10 litre pots with great drainage. Tip 3: feed weekly with a balanced fertilizer. Tip 4: full sun, 6 hours minimum. Tip 5: remove runners for bigger fruit. You can grow them anywhere: windowsill, balcony, even a fire escape. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.